Today's video is sponsored by AOMEI. It is pre-backup software. You can download it in your Windows, and now let me explain you. First of all, this is free of cost. You can download in your Windows. You can check the link in the description. Now let me explain the advantages of this software. So my friend, for example, you have your old system and now you want to change your system, and you want to transfer your data from old system to the new system. Now what if you have not the hardware resources to transfer your old system data to the new system? So what you can do, definitely here in this era there are a lot of technique hacks you can do, and now this is one of them, the very best AOMEI, the backup software. You can use it to clone your data from your old system, and then you can sense and transfer it to the new system. So how to do that? First of all, you need to download this software. You can check the link in the description and you can download this, or you can go this URL www.ubackup.com. Then after that, the second advantages of that is you can clone your computer data, and then you can sense it into your new computer or PC or system or whatever you are using. And not just that, you can clone the entire disk or individual files to local or external drive, and it supports all the Windows versions, Windows 11, 10 or other old versions. And after that, the third thing is that you can also back up your SQL database backups, and it is very flexible and it is automatic, easy enough for non-professional to manage, plus cost effective. And not just that, and the fourth thing is that you can also clone your iPhone data and transfer into your new phone or smartphone or whatever, and it is very easy to do. And you can transfer iPhone data between iOS devices and your computer like a breeze, and advanced features available to convert HEIC to JPG PNG on Windows quickly, and erase all iPhone contents and settings clean without recovery when you decide to sell an iPhone or give it away. Most of the time we need to back up our Windows data, and it provides all inclusive Windows data recovery solutions. All users could recover 200 plus types of deleted and loose data from internal or external HDD or SSD and USB and SD card. You can download it for free. And after that, you can check the link in the description and you can download it for free. And now let me explain the plan. There are the download plans. Their AOMEI have plans. You can buy them or you can pay them. You can see here 2 million plus downloads every month this AOMEI software have, and you can buy their plan. The first is the Backupper standard. You can download for free. The second is professional. For professional, it is trial. You can download for trial on the try, or you can buy their plan. And the third is Backupper workstation, and there are a lot of plans you can buy or try for free, and you can go there and you can also read their description blogs as well. Read Windows backup and synchronization software. And after that, you can also play to pro. It is, my friend, very easy and efficient and free backup and restore software. You can also see the screenshot on the screen on there in this page on this website, and you can also read the way how to use that, and you can back up everything and save it anywhere and then restore. And this, my friend, there are the features you can see on the screen here, and you can download the edition that's most suitable for you. You can see there, and you can choose the edition that most suitable for you. There are the users review. You can see their reviews. You can download from here free of cost. And that is, my friend, you can check the link in the description and you can download it for free if you want to back up your data and you want to save and protect your data. You can check the link in the description and download this AOMEI free of cost software and use it. And that's all for today. Hope this helped you, and if it did, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and not just to subscribe, ring the bell that you, my friend, don't miss out any other future tips, tricks, or tutorials. But in the next one, till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.